Hello guys and welcome back to Chess with Ayush. And guys, today is gonna be a really fun and exciting games between me and my brother. None of that 5 minutes or 1 minutes game. It's gonna be a 30 seconds game with no increment. That means you have only 30 seconds, and on each move you get no increment. You have to finish the game in 30 seconds. And we are playing on the Lee Chess, not the chess.com, because Lee Chess is really good for pre-moving, and we will definitely need those pre-moves. So guys, pre-moves, if you don't know, are like, if you are going to make some moves and you already predict his move and make a move, in that way no time is cut off your clock and you can make simply a move without losing any time, and that is a pre-move. So guys, I'm going to challenge him in a half-minute game. The time is half minute, no increment, real time standard, and random pieces. His name is Abhi Salvatore. I hope the game is being recorded. Yes, the recording has been started. So guys, it is the first to three. So the person who wins 3 games of this half-minute concept first wins the game. Let's start. I'm white. Good for me. I did the fried liver. Takes here. Okay. I had to exchange the queens actually. I didn't do so. Oh no, that's a blunder. I have a lot of material. He has only 8 seconds left. What to do? So confused. Check, gets the rook. Sorry guys, that was the sound of a notification I got. Okay guys, so we won the first match. It was a great game between us. Really quick, I had only 6 seconds. Oh, somebody's messaging me. I don't think I should look at any of that. Okay, this time I'm black. The score is 1-0. I'm winning the game right now. Okay, need some defense. Who is messaging me so much? I don't know. Oh no. Okay, I can save it like this. That is not good for me. I'm gonna get the knight back, exchange the queens. Now castle in the next move. Castles. Knight here. Take the bishop next move. Get the knight here. Fork the rooks in the next move. Here maybe. No, it doesn't. Oh my god, I blundered. Oh no, I don't think that matters really much here. Oh no, less time. Although it was hanging. Okay, he's trying to trick me actually here. Oh my god, I couldn't make a move because my king was under check from everywhere. So it's a 1-1 now, I think. Yes guys, it's 1-1 to both. Oh my god, I'm getting some messages guys. I hope you will ignore them. Okay. I'm a bit comfortable with this opening actually. Has to take with the pawn. I'll give a check here. His king is unsafe. I think I will target it with some pieces. Check. I'll get my knight out from here. I will attack his rook. The time is really low, guys. We are not so fast of a players. Okay, he hung his knight. Guys, I can't commentate really. Okay, I won the second game. Sorry guys, there was a bit of cut in between. Oh, so guys, I'm challenging him again. No issues. I'm right now leading with 2-1, and he also have a chance. He has one solid. Oh, sorry, 1 point right now. Okay, he's online. I'm sending a challenge again. So according to me, he should be white, I think, because last game I was white, but it's a new challenge, so anything can happen. And if I'm white, that would be cool. No, okay. Chess.com people are quite smart. Won't give me the white pieces twice, I think. Okay, this looks good. I got a check. Gonna block with the queen. Oh my god, my bishop was hanging, and rather than taking my bishop, he hung his own bishop. Like, this is actually pretty crazy. Okay, I have a crazy move here. Okay. No, this wasn't that crazy of a move. Guys, I'm winning in this game also, I think. Oh my god, I hung. This was a backrank checkmate, guys. Oh my god. I hung a backrank checkmate and he didn't saw it. Oh my god. I cannot still take it. I'm really confused what to do here. My god, I'm down in time. Takes his rook. He will take my rook and then everything will be hanging. Give a check. I have to do really quick pre-moves. Oh, okay, he is also down in time now. 1 second I have only. Check. Oh my god, I won this last game also, guys. It was really stressful. Guys, what do you think? Should we make it a best of 5? Because all these games were really quick. I think I will challenge him again, and it's now first to 5 rather than first to 3. Because these games were really quick and they weren't. And I think, guys, you are also enjoying these games. We are trying our best here. Gonna castle. Push his pawn. Attack his queen. Okay, knight. Got the knight. He can take my bishop. Takes the bishop. Oh my god, I hung the knight. Okay. I think I'll protect the back rank checkmate here. Oh, that was not. What? What is he doing? Like, he took my queen and then he sacrificed his own queen. I couldn't get it actually. What he did. Okay, now I am pretty much losing. Now I am a bit back on the track. You can say that. Okay, now I hang another rook. Okay, now my pawns are gonna queen, hopefully. His pawn queen first, man. How did this happen? He queened. 2 seconds, 1 second, guys. I have to show my crazy pre-move skill, but my king cannot move anywhere. I had only pawns and I was trying to move my king. So guys, it's 3-2 again, and this might be a mistake from me giving him another chance. So guys, if he reaches to 4 points, now it's first to 4, guys. Okay, it's 3-2, and if I win one game, I'm winning, and he has to win 2 games, while I have to win only 1 game. Okay, I forked his king and queen, so I think I'm winning now, probably. Guys, this is how tricky knights are. You can never predict what they are going to do in the next move. Okay, I'm gonna take his bishop. He will also take my bishop. I'm gonna attack his bishop. Oh my god, I'm down in time actually. What was the piece there? Oh, did I hung queen too? Not sure here. My god. I hung the bishop too. What is going on? Can't say anything. Okay. Okay, did I still win? Okay. So guys, I thought that that decision was incorrect, but guys, now it was a first to four, and I got first to four. He also won two games, and it was a crazy matchup. And if I am being honest, I play more bullet than him. He usually play more blades, so you can call it a bit unfair, like. But still, after some days we are gonna play a bids and rapid match also, so you can stay tuned for that also. If you enjoyed, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. And guys, this was the video. We played Hyper Bullet. It was first to four, and I got first to four before him. And if you can see overall scores, he has beaten me 6 times. But if you see it in today, I have beaten him 4 times. So it was a really good game. And bye bye.